Hello and welcome back. Steel Pinnings here once again, and today I come to you trying out for Pottie314's reassembly challenge. We reassemble a 5-pin lock the fastest time. Rules: key pins must be mixed up, driver pins here, springs here, clip here, must be on back, key must be fully operational, stop the clock, right? So, pretty simple, I guess. I guess it just holds true. It ain't no thing but to hit the go button, right? So, go. I kind of like to load the springs and keep your driver pins in first. Why? I don't know. I just find that it gets the hard part out of my way. That is, of course, if everything goes right. Which, shoot, that hardly ever happens, you know. See if we can load up these key pins without dropping them everywhere. Lord knows we don't want to drop them everywhere. And we're doing it anyhow, though, right? Alright, we got it right, though. That's a good sign. Clip on it. There we go.
Total time, 1 minute 19.35 seconds.
Got to love that. So, 1:19:35. I guess I'm gonna have to settle at that, huh? Y'all please stay safe and always stay legit. If you like this video and like what I do here, hit that like button. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And as always, until next time, peace.